Today we are doing a glow plug job on the HZJ80, so that's a 1HZ engine. If you have the same engine in your 70 series Land Cruiser or the 105 for example, it will be the exact same process. So if you're interested, stay tuned and yeah, let's get on it. So at first we disassembled those small 8mm nuts. They are responsible to hold down that piece here. You can just grab that and take it out. So now the glow plugs, that's the glow plug, they are exposed now, and you just take your socket and your wrench and just get them out. If they are rusted a little bit, I recommend to use a little bit double UD40 to loosen up the thread, and yeah, don't apply too much force, otherwise it can be to damage the threads if they weren't out for a while. So all of the glow plugs are now loose. You can turn them out with your hands, so that will be no problem anymore. Just think about doing one at a time. Turn one out and put one in. This way you will have no problems with things going down into the cylinders. In some cases it could be that you maybe receive a different model, maybe the threads are different, so I recommend to check those against each other. So you see, those are the glow plugs. The thread is similar. So you just turn them all in by hand and then you tighten them up with your wrench, and later you just use a torque wrench and just apply the right torque. And basically reassemble everything back. This thread, it's a little bit longer than the one of before, as I showed you before. So I ended up having a problem with the short sockets of the 1/4 inch wrench, so I now just use this bad boy, but just be careful if you use such large and heavy tools for such small things. And as you see, the socket still isn't deep enough. You can use a trick, and that's just disassemble those parts a little bit together, put this one on, and then boom, there you go.